and I participated along with the Prophet ﷺ in a ghazwa riding a water camel. The camel got exhausted and I remained behind. So the Prophet ﷺ lashed it with a stick from behind. He ﷺ said, "Sell it to me and keep on riding it up to Medina Munawwara." When we reached near Medina Munawwara, I sought his permission to go, saying, "O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, I am newly married." He ﷺ said, "A virgin or a widow?" I submitted, "My father Hazrat Abdullah has been martyred and he has left young daughters. I married with a widow so that she might teach them etiquette." Then he ﷺ said, "Go to your family." I told my maternal uncle about selling the camel. He whereupon reproached me. I also notified him of the camels being exhausted and the Prophet ﷺ lashing it with a stick. When the Prophet ﷺ reached Medina Munawwara, I in the next morning went to him taking the camel. He ﷺ gave me the price of the camel as well as the camel and gave me a share along with the other Muslims. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2406.